The Fun They Had was written by Isaac Asimov. The story is set in the future when books in schools are conducted digitally through virtual classrooms. These classes are taken by a mechanical teacher, robot, instead of a human class teacher. The story starts with two children named Margie and Tommy. They live in a world where computers dominate each and every sphere of life, and children attend virtual classes. With the onset of virtual schools, the concept of books and classrooms has transformed considerably from the olden days. On the 17th of May 2157, Margie wrote in her diary about how Tommy found a real book. It was an old book that consisted of stories. Margie's grandfather once told her that his grandfather informed him that all the stories used to be printed on paper in those days. Both Margie and Tommy started turning the yellow and crumpled pages of the book to discover more about those days. They found it hilarious to read the book as the words stood fixed in one place instead of moving, contrary to what they had seen on a computer screen. From this, it is clear that in the future, there will be telebooks only and that no hard copies of books will be available to read. Tommy exclaims that it is an utter waste to read a book and throw it away once completed. He feels that their television screen has 1,000,000 books on it and could store plenty more without throwing it away. Soon, they start reading about a school during ancient times when human beings were teachers. Although Margie hated the concept of schools, she was surprised to know actual people taught at school. This is because she has only seen robots teaching at her school. Moreover, she was not so fond of the school that was next to her bedroom as she did not have any classmate. And the mechanical teacher always gave her loads of homework to do. Both Margie and Tommy study in a virtual classroom that includes electronic gadgets, robots, etc. Their daily lesson appears on a computer screen. It teaches them different subjects like maths, science, etc. Once, Margie's mother called the county inspector to fix the mechanical device on which Margie attends her virtual classes. He put the big black screen together again. However, the little girl was disappointed about the device getting fixed so soon. She knew she would again need to feed homework and test papers into it through a punch code. Further, as both the children continue reading the book, Margie's mother calls her to attend her classes. While Margie attends her school, the mechanical teacher teaches about fractions. But Margie's mind starts wondering about the fun her grandparents would have had while visiting the school in the olden days. Those days, a school used to be a special building and all the kids of the same age studied together. She imagines how the kids from different areas in the neighborhood would come together and attend school merrily. Margie gets fascinated by the fun the children had centuries ago when they went to a real school.